Hey there! Are you getting annoyed with that pesky disconnected no user logon error popping up while you're trying to dive into some Counter-Strike 2 action? No worries, I got your back. In this guide, I'll walk you through step by step how to solve the issue once and for all. Let's jump right in and get it sorted. Clear Steam download cache and cache. Start by clicking on the system tray icon. Then right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. After that, right-click on the Steam shortcut from your desktop and select Open File Location from here. Now, scroll up and find the App Cache folder, then delete it. Then open up Steam again. Next, click on the Steam icon from the top left corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then click on Download from the left side folder. Hit the clear button next to Clear Download Cache, and Steam will restart. Now, just head to your library and check if you can launch CS2 without this error. Solution 2. Clear your network and configuration settings. First off, click on the search icon here and type in CMD. After that, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now, type in netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Then type ipconfig /flushdns and hit enter. After that, type in ipconfig /release and hit enter. Now, type ipconfig /renew and press enter. Next up, type in netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. Don't sweat it. I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, don't forget to restart your computer and your router. Can't skip this step. After that, check if the error is fixed. Solution 3. Verify integrity of CS2 game files. To do this, open up Steam, then go to your library. Now click on Counter-Strike 2 from the left side game list and select Properties. Switch to the Installed Files tab. Hit the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Steam will start verifying and repairing the game files. After it's done, you should be able to play the game without that error. Another easy fix is simply waiting for 15 seconds after launching CS2 when it's at the main menu. This gives Steam enough time to properly check your Steam ID and sort things out. So, that's how you fix the disconnected no login information error in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. If the video was helpful, hit the like button. Have any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks a bunch for watching.